Good evening. This is the Financial Week. I'm Herman Green. The Bank of Jamaica said it has issued just under $13 billion during this week to facilitate Christmas shopping. The currency issued represents an increase of 13% and is broadly in line with the sum issued during the same period a year ago. The Bank of Jamaica says the demand for currency has slowed this year due to more people using electronic payment means. Currency trading ended with the US dollar selling for $125.22. The Canadian dollar is being sold for $98.94. The pound sterling is going for $167.56, while the euro is going for $148.18. The government is pushing to expand banana exports and is targeting CARICOM as a viable market for the product. Dashan Hendricks has the details.
Jamaica looking to boost banana exports years after scaling back because of droughts and hurricanes.
We have markets waiting in the UK, in Canada, and we look forward to partnering with farmers and with the Banana Board in this venture.
The Agriculture Minister, Carl Samuda, wanting the push to start with markets in CARICOM.
CARICOM is an extended local market, so we are learning all that we have to learn about being competitive within our domestic market, which is part of CARICOM.
Trinidad and Tobago is the market now being targeted through the Banana Export Expansion Program.
It's a new market that has opened up.
An importer in the Twin Island Republic taking at least one container with 900 boxes of ripe bananas from Jamaica on a weekly basis.
The importer would love to have 3 containers, but the Banana Board and the farmers of Jamaica who are supplying this market are moving up to that.
That will come when the contract is reviewed after 6 months. 13 farmers from St. Mary and Portland supplying the product have upgraded their farms and are now Global Gap certified.
Global Gap gives us the access to international markets.
Green bananas are exported to the diaspora in the Cayman Islands, Canada, the UK, and the US. But selling ripe bananas to Trinidad and Tobago, which now imports chiefly from Suriname, is being hailed as a landmark.
We're also targeting other markets, but Trinidad is the first in a long line.
For the Financial Week, I am Dashan Hendricks.
The JSE index gained more than 4,121 points today, while the junior market index lost 45. Stocks posting gains include AMG Packaging and Paper, Caribbean Producers, Express Catering, G West Corporation, JMMB Group, NCB Financial Group, Seprod, and T-Tech. Now on the losing end were Access Financial, Cable and Wireless, Grace Kennedy, Jamaica Broilers, Lasco Financial, Mayberry Investments, and Sagicor Group. And that's the Financial Week. I'm Herman Green. Good evening.